Bago tayo mag-proceed sa presentation, I'm pleased to share the mission of our team to help our affiliates members reach their full potential, rank up to diamond, and attain time and financial freedom. I'm pretty sure na inline ito sa gusto nyong mangyari sa buhay ninyo, yung magkaroon ng time and financial freedom. Again, welcome and let's have an open mind as we go through the presentation. Okay, let's dive into the presentation. Live Good is the new way of doing network marketing. The old, traditional, antiquated way has to go. Bakit? Numbers don't lie. More than 97% fail in traditional network marketing. At wala pang 3 months, naghahanap na ng malilipatan. Top 4 reasons why. Products are overpriced. Minamarkup ng 8 to 10 times or more para mabayaran ng few top earners. Unfortunately, kawawa ang mga consumers. Requires expensive monthly product authorship or maintenance to earn commissions. Ang masaklap, kulang pa ang commission na pambili ng monthly maintenance. Abonado ang mga distributors. Requires big team volume para kumita. Walang katapusang pagbibenta ng mga overpriced products. Karamihan mga US at Europe-based companies ang gumagawa nito. Marami dyan, mga money games. Nakadepende ang earning potential sa halaga ng package. Multiple accounts at kinakamada. May flush out na pabor sa mga owners ng company. Fake or unvetted online or virtual products. Low quality products. Fake owners or walang transparency kung sinong nagpapatakbo ng kumpanya. Lahat ng ito ay sumisira sa image at real essence ng network marketing. Tignan natin ang kaibahan ng Live Good. Una, products are wholesale. Ito yung price or product price comparison ng ilan sa mga top-selling products ng Live Good. Bioactive Multivitamin, your immune system booster for only $9.95. Ultra Magnesium Complex for only $8.95. Kailangan ng magnesium in more than 300 chemical reactions sa ating katawan. Mahalaga sa pag-maintain ng tamang blood pressure. Kapag mababa ka sa magnesium, prone ka sa risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, at osteoporosis. Super Reds, only $18. Tignan nyo ang price difference versus other brands. Para magkaroon ng healthy heart, dapat ang diet natin ay rich in red fruits and vegetables at ang Super Reds has the highest amount. Everyone who has a heart needs Super Reds. Factor 4, top-selling product for advanced inflammation management. Maraming binabaliwala ang inflammation, but remember, kapag may chronic inflammation ka, it can lead to serious diseases like heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, kidney, at liver diseases. 4 of the many top-selling products ang mga to, but feel free na magtanong sa nag-share sa inyo ng Live Good dahil the company has a lot to offer like hormonal balance for women, children's gummies, weight loss, protein powder, organic coffee, at marami pang iba. Take note, hindi lang affordable ang Live Good. Live Good combined quality and affordability. Live Good takes pride of its mission to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Made in USA ang mga products. Manufactured in facilities that strictly follow good manufacturing practice guidelines para sigurado na safe, pure, at effective. At third-party tested pa for purity and potency. Plus, quality certified pa. Pangalawa, no expensive monthly product authorship to earn commissions. Walang forced buying of products. Bili ka ng product kung kailan mo gusto. Pangatlo, no team volume required to earn commissions. Ang buong team mo ay hindi pwersadong bumili ng produkto. At pang-apat, Live Good is a real business and everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. Wala sa halaga ng package ang kikitain mo. Lahat pantay-pantay ang earning potential. Live Good is the new way of doing network marketing. It's an opportunity that makes sense. Kaya we are not surprised na in its first 13 months, mahigit 1 million paid members ang sumali sa Live Good at umabot ng $100 million ang kanyang revenue. Live Good is revolutionizing the world of commerce. It's disrupting the $200 billion network marketing industry. It's a game changer. It's fixing a broken traditional network marketing. Sa isang negosyo, napaka-importante ang timing at business model. Let's dig deeper sa club membership. Familiar ba kayo sa Costco, Netflix, Amazon Prime at Spotify? Lahat yan ay mga club membership companies. Ang Costco ay may 120 million members. Netflix, 230 million members. Amazon Prime around 200 million members at Spotify 210 million members. Apat lang yan sa mga napakaraming club membership, pati car wash club membership na rin. Ito ay nagpapatunay na ang club membership ay siyang trend and people want more value for their money and people's buying habits have shifted. Pag-usapan natin ang Costco. Ang executive membership ng Costco ay $10 per month or $120 per year. Makakasave ka sa mga groceries, household items, gas at marami pang iba. Mag-shopping ka anytime you want. Ganyan din ang Live Good. You pay $9.95 or $99.95 for 1 year. You save 20% pag 1 year ang pinili mong option. As a member ng Live Good, mabibili mo ng wholesale ang mga products. At the moment, available ang mga supplements. Coming soon ang household products at skincare. And the plan is to have everything in the coming years, just like Amazon. Though club membership din ang Live Good, may malaking pagkakaiba sa Costco, Netflix, Amazon Prime at Spotify dahil Live Good is the club membership that pays, meaning it shares its revenue to its members. May pay plan ang Live Good sa mga gustong kumita, extra income man or full-time income. May dalawang options. Option 1 is one-time $40 affiliate fee plus $9.95 first month membership for a total of $49.95. Option 2, one-time $40 affiliate fee plus $99.95 1-year membership for a total of $139.95. Best value yan as you save 20% or nakalibre ka na ng 2 months. Kapag nagawa mo yan, may access ka na sa mga products at wholesale price. Plus, may mga digital products ka like back office. Dito ka maglalagin to check on product info, i-monitor ang growth ng business mo, mag-withdraw ng commissions at marami pang functionalities ang back office mo. May mga different websites ka rin at pages na pwedeng i-share sa mga prospects mo. As we speak, live soon ang funnel. Hindi cheap ang magpagawa ng sales funnel, pero kasama na yan sa pagiging affiliate member mo sa Live Good. Malaking tulong ang mga online tools na to sa pag-build ng Live Good business mo. These digital products and services do the heavy lifting for you to spread your Live Good business in 200 plus countries. Once affiliate member ka na sa Live Good, ilalagay ka ng system sa 2x15 matrix. This is how we build a team. Spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right, on a first-come, first-served basis following their enroller. The sooner you take action, the better. Dahil matrix to, walang leg to balance at wala ring flash out. Nasa system ka na, pwede mo nang i-share ang Live Good online at offline para magka-income na. May 7 ways to earn. Una, weekly fast start commissions. 50% ang pwede mong kitain sa lahat ng personally enrolled affiliates mo. Anyone na direct mo na nagbayad ng $49.95, may kita kang $25 or 1,450 pesos sa palitan na $1 to 58 pesos. Siyempre, fluctuating yan. With just 2, bawi mo na ang $49.95 na initial capital mo kapag option 1 ang pinili mo. Kapag 1 year naman ang pinili mo, $50 na ang bumalik sa iyo with just 2 directs. The rest of the capital, bawiin mo na lang by having more directs dahil unlimited na $25 ang pwede mong kitain. The more, the better. Besides, kapag 1 year ang pinili mong option, wala ka ng worries to pay monthly, you save 20% at focus ka na sa pag-rank up to higher positions. Paid up to 10 levels ang fast start commissions depende sa rank mo. Pangalawa, matrix commissions. Paid monthly to. Kikita ka ng 2.5% of $9.95 that everyone in your matrix pays. That's 25 cents or 14 pesos and 50 centavos. For example, may 50 members sa matrix mo times 25 cents and that's $12.50 or 725 pesos ang matrix commissions mo. More than enough to pay your monthly membership. Tuloy lang ang pag-build at kapag umabot ng 500 members, may $125 ka or 7,250 pesos na matrix commissions. What if umabot ng 5,000 members times 25 cents equals $1,250 or 72,500 pesos ang matrix commissions mo. Pangatlong kitaan, monthly matching bonuses. Kikita ka ng 50% sa lahat ng matrix commissions ng mga directs mo. Halimbawa, unang direct mo ay may $100 matrix commissions. May $50 ka or 2,900 pesos match. Second direct, $300 ang matrix commissions. $150 ang matching bonus mo or 8,700 pesos. Third direct, $500 ang matrix commissions, may $250 match ka or 14,500 pesos. Unlimited ang pwede mong maging direct. Nasa sayo yan kung gaano kalaki ang gusto mong matching bonuses. Hindi lang sa direct ang matching bonuses, may generational matching pa tayo at abot ng 70% ang additional matching mo very deep in your team. Fourth way to earn is weekly retail commissions. Kikita ka ng by as much as 50% sa mga bumibili ng products from your retail website. Dropshipping tayo kaya the company will be responsible sa pag-ship ng products sa mga customers mo globally. Paid up to 10 levels based sa rank mo. Fifth way to earn customer acquisition bonus. Paid weekly din ito. 10% ng first order of your personally enrolled affiliate or member is paid out 10 level deep. Sixth way to earn is monthly influencer bonuses. Additional income sa mga malakas magbenta o mag-retail online. Pwedeng umabot ng 100% ang total commissions mo by retailing products online kapag i-combine mo ang retail at influencer bonuses mo when you meet the required retail sales volume in a month. And finally, monthly bonus pool. May dalawang pools. First pool for diamond affiliates. 2% ng total monthly company sales, you heard that right, 2% of the total monthly company sales, hindi profit, maliit kasi pag profit at yan ang ginagawa ng 99% of MLM companies. In Live Good, 2% of the total monthly company sales is evenly split sa lahat ng mga diamonds. Kaya kahit bago ka pa lang na diamond with probably a smaller team compared sa mga naunang diamonds, parehas ang matatanggap mo na diamond pool. This is first in the history of network marketing. Second, Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% ng total monthly company sales ay evenly split sa lahat ng Crown Diamonds. Last part ng ating quick overview, top 4 reasons why you should seriously consider Live Good. Una, healthy, sustainable, long-term ang business model ng Live Good. It's the first club membership that pays. Buy products when you want to. Mas maganda na may freedom tayo sa pagbili ng produkto at hindi tayo puwersado. We have transparent owners that you see live or can engage with in many of our calls. Kapag nandito kayo sa US or pwede kayo mag-travel dito sa US, pwede nyong ma-meet ang mga founders. And that's transparency at its finest. Plus, we have real wholesale top quality health and wellness products. The backbone of our business kaya long-term tayo. Pero remember, umpisa lang yan. Ang gustong ma-accomplish ng company is to have everything at perfect fit ang club membership model. Pangalawa, sa panahon ngayon, we can leverage on technology from the comfort of our home at may spread natin ang ating Live Good business in 200 plus countries. We have websites, pages, and soon funnel na kasama na sa ating pagiging member ng Live Good. The system is in place to ship products and pay affiliates globally. Pangatlo, Live Good is a ground floor opportunity. Though umabot na sa 1 million plus ang paid members, napakarami pang walang idea. At yung mga narinig na ang Live Good pero di pa nag-take action, di pa nila naunawaan 100% kung saan papunta ang Live Good. The whole world will know about Live Good. As we speak, dalawa pa lang ang distribution centers. More will be open in Asia, Africa, at South America. At massive marketing is in motion to spread the word. And finally, mababa lang ang entry. $49.95 or $139.95. It won't break the bank. The masses can join and everyone has an equal opportunity to earn and succeed. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating quick overview. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please get back to the person who shared this presentation with you for more details or if you have any question. We love to have you in the team. God bless you all.